And also I'm 23. I haven't heard that last week. I'm having parties.
Because you go up, you find out, and all.
Making his way to the ring, representing
Yeah!
64.
Nice slapping good tonight! Yeah!
6'7". Brutal Rock Hands.
I'm a raver! Oh! Feel the beat! Oh! Oh! Feel the bass! I got a prescription for this. I got a prescription. That's not myself. Yeah, it is. It's got holsters on, baby. This guy's a cop, isn't he? I got a prescription.
And his opponent,
Hey, shut up! Shut the fuck up! Fucking Raver guy out there is pissing me off. What is this? Who is this? Birdman. Come to left.
making his way to the ring from Alameda, California, weighing 235 He likes tassels. He likes neon. He likes sunglasses at night. It looks sick.
Whoa!
And he loves puppets.
Whoa!
Yeah, it's a big dude. You're in there with the big man dude. Yeah. Sex out.
So, I've really got to start paying attention to like the student roster here. So you are the 6 Oh, God. Wow. Wow. Whoa, hey buddy, let's take it down. Let's take it down a notch. We're just meeting each
That's
other.
not how I roll.
Oh, okay, all right. You know, I got a little bit of clothes on.
You got a little, yeah, you have a little bit of clothes
I
on.
think I have a lot of clothes on.
Yeah.
To be honest.
Why don't you change your name to Oliver Clothes Off?
So you're a sex hawk. Are you a bird that loves sex? I see this is where this is going. So I can play your game, sir.
We're having a bird sex off. Sex off. You know, usually sex talk leads to sex hawk. That's just sex talk. Oh, wow.
Let me show you.
Oh, yeah, they're gonna fuck after this. Yeah, 100%.
It was a ruse!
A clever ruse.
Remember how I told you I was into ruses, 20?
Yeah.
Season of the ruse.
Yeah. Where the rubber meets the ruse.
Here it comes.
Here he comes. Fucking Kurt Henningsen all over that top turnbuckle.
Flying with the booty man.
As you fucking ease on down.
Frogging through the ring.
Big fucking snap mare. And now, oh god, those fucking tank tops. Never mind, it's not. Oh, it was just fucking doing a dance.
Yeah.
No, I was trying.
Number one, you're succeeding now. Yeah, now he's got no fucking shirt on. But now he's got
Oh, man.
Are you gonna do anything?
That's
Yeah, get him
fucking
off.
painful, that
Get
shit.
him out of there. You don't have weapons in this. All right,
Tell him more.
1,
Yeah, one.
2,
Yeah, two.
3.
Yeah,
Get the hell
three.
off of there.
Yeah, tell him.
That's right.
Don't make him count higher than 3.
Yeah.
That's all we've asked him.
Daddy is enforcing rules, sir.
Oh, yeah?
You know, he's a detective. He's not a referee.
Yeah, he doesn't know how wrestling works.
He's just here to, find the culprit.
He's here to find the culprit. And Sex Hawk eats that fucking top turnbuckle with his back. Oh! Things with your back.
And you're gonna eat things with your balls right there.
Yeah, he's fucking. Big Sylvie right to the fucking.
Lackadaisical!
Only one after that lackadaisical pelvis pin.
That was Lester, the lackluster.
You know,
That's right. I don't know what you said, but
If the
that's
point
right.
was to pin his pelvis to the ground, he succeeded.
Yeah.
So it's not so much that the rules have changed; it's that he changed the rules. Big back elbow right under the
No,
house.
I want to do
Not
stuff.
used to being the smaller man.
Now that big fucking situation. Just a gigantic boot right into the trachea of the Sex Hawk.
Ow!
And now Brutal Rob. 113 pounds right into your fucking sternum.
That's 313 pounds is roadiing me and then run full force into my face.
Oh yeah, you don't want that. You don't want full force. You don't want full house. Fucking. Here it comes again. Watch out! No! Sex Hawk able to roll like a bird out of the way. Whoa! Nope, that's blocked. Oh, big punch upside the head.
Almost took him down. Almost took him down.
Whoa! Oh! Dropped his fucking knee.
Stone Cold started his knee across the top rope, and the Broody Man is Jimmy Valiant to the round.
And just nothing doing. You can't fucking shoulder tackle the big man. He's a big man.
Wow, he just
It's in the name.
ass right there.
He fucking, yeah. You sure did.
He saw me?
Yeah, he's big. Yeah, man. We're gonna it over. Good job. And now, That's, jeez. 313 pounds stepping on your belly button.
Yeah, we're in the sexy Hawk's belly button.
Yeah. That's not where you want to be. A big leg and may have, tweaked the back
Right
of the
across the
knee.
throat, man.
And that fucking big elbow drop right across the fucking upper chest. 1, 2.
Oh, come on!
And that cover was less lackadaisical.
It was.
So you gotta give credit where credit is given.
I'm just giving it to the Broody Man.
Yep. And now, just off the rope again. And this time, misses that splash and also hit his knee. Charge. Wow! And a fucking chop block right to the back of the knee. That injured knee. That knee.
The knee, yeah, I know. Let's switch her.
He's hot. Bending the knee right over that massive man.
Get the ropes. Let him go. 1, 2,
to
the
release.
2003 SmackDown did you just do to me?
Yeah. Just
Oh!
the hook lock, just really going to fucking town on that. Just see how he could fucking. That man, that knee has a family. Oh, it just sits right on his.
That's how he does it. Barely penetrate. Penetrate that knee
Sebring
slow.
him.
That's not what I meant!
The leg drop right to the upper chest.
They call him a dipper.
Yeah. I call him
Dips it in.
Yeah, you know, sometimes that's how it be.
Oh my God!
Last one. No,
Wait
only
for
one.
me!
Only 2-1.
Only to one. Knee.
Here.
Huh.
I got an idea.
No!
No.
No, what's your
I don't
idea?
know if
I don't
it
like
is in
it.
your contract.
I don't like it.
What's your idea? I don't like it. That is spinning time.
Down!
Oh, shoves fucking chest first into that top turnbuckle. And can Broody fucking capitalize?
No! No! What are you trying to do?
His
Trying to German me? Ah! You dumb sexy Birdman! No!
Uh-oh, that's not what you want to be.
Oh!
Just driving all of the air out of his body with his behind.
Come
Yeah.
on, Luger! Alright, sexy
Oh,
Birdman, I'm gonna
shit.
goozle you.
No, he's gonna fucking go. Sexy Birdman.
Oh, knee on his knee.
Yeah, he's just oh, the big fucking skipping us. Pebble across the pond, across his back.
His ribs and his Sharkmeisters.
I thought he was big.
He is big. I mean, you thought right.
He's supposed to be big.
Yeah.
Working the whole time, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah! I thought you were big.
I'm talking to people!
Ah!
Just sitting up on the back of the Birdie Man. A taste of his own medicine.
He really not that much of a medicine guy.
No, he doesn't. He
thought you were
likes
big.
to self-medicate.
Yeah, he's an
Show me how big.
Oh, fucking soup bone right into the midsection.
Oh!
The best pure striker here.
He's running good with that giant ladle he calls an hand.
Oh, what a kick to the knee.
Oh! He's so big.
Yeah. Glad you remembered.
Those punches hurt.
It'll take 10 seconds. He'll figure it out in a minute.
I got it this time.
He's got him this time.
Ah!
Does he?
Ah!
Does he?
Joe!
Elbow right in the face.
Joe!
And right in the side of the head. Sex hawk off the ropes.
Oh!
Another drop kick to the knee.
God darn my patella!
Yeah, right? Yeah.
Oh, my tibia, I don't know. I'm not a goddamn astronomer.
Yeah, he's a philosopher.
That's correct.
No, what are you doing?
No.
God, stop doing that!
Just when you think he's gonna work your leg more, leg drop.
Fucking he likes
Work
legs.
my leg.
Wait,
Yeah.
no, don't give him ideas.
I'm sorry. It's my job to say things.
That's Jack.
And a big shove into the corner.
Spears the life out of the sex hawk.
Just shades of Shakira Spears with that Shakira Spear.
So we all gotta get
He's
up.
making a sex hawk right for a week.
Yeah. Is there a wrong way to sex hawk though?
Fuck yeah, there is. Definitely is.
Okay. Yeah, this capacity crowd really getting behind the slow count. And Broody now, the first to his feet, but sex hawk right after him. Big shot, 2, 3 shots. Oh, and 1 from the Broody man. Just wailing away at each other, Scotty.
Wow, the sex hawk just pecking at the big man.
Off the rope. Oh, tries to knock him down, but nothing doing. He's going to try again. He's got him robbing legs.
2 in a row, third time's a charm.
Sunline.
Big man misses.
That fucking big clothesline. All about momentum, but he has no idea what's behind him. Fucking whammied him. He's too big. You're right. He's too big. Yeah, you got it. That guy said it.
Yeah.
He's right. And now we're not fucking. It's Gozo time. Set your watches. If you didn't know what time it was, it's Gozo time.
It's Gozo o'clock.
It's fucking big koozie time.
Time to sleep in the Heidelberg Fuller.
That's right. And now, yeah, he's still wobbling.
Going on.
Here it comes.
Little Rudy to
Zentog
Rudy.
has no idea. Ah! He's got him goozled. No, the corner. Oh no. Easy, man, easy. How did he get that? And now, what's he doing?
He's going up for it.
Oh, he's going up like a bird would.
He's thinking about flying.
Yeah. If I was a bird, that's Still not enough after that gigantic splash.
The bird fell.
Like a bird being kicked out of the nest by its mother bird.
All right. You gotta get up.
Sex Hawk. He is fucking still feeling. He's feeling those fucking sex hawk hormones pumping through his fucking veins. Oh, but that's not where you want to be. That is not what you want to see. When the pig goes up, he's gonna try to get him in.
Hey, get the
Oh, they're all hugging. Everyone, it was nice. It was a nice moment.
Yeah,
Everyone hugged each other.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
I was trying to give you a hug, referee.
You know, tough time.
But you know
Remember
what?
when I said it was cruising time?
Hug
I was
time's
wrong.
over. It's time for something
Yes,
else.
everyone knows that.
It's barbarian time.
Oh shit, he's gonna. It can't be barbarian time.
earlier.
It can't be barbarian time. He's just dragging him about. Oh, Scotty. Scotty, he's not gonna.
Oh, he's gonna.
Is he?
He's gonna.
He's, oh god, he's calling for that big Barb. That big Barbie.
Here comes Big Barb.
Ah! He got all of it. 1, 2, oh! How?
The
How?
Hawks got a little left in him.
The fucking.
Alrighty then.
He said,
Alrighty then.
Oh, now he's being. Oh no. No.
I'll have to top rope barbarian you.
Ruby, that sounds dangerous. Like that Michael Jackson album. Dangerous. Unless you're gonna go like that other Michael Jackson album, Off the Wall.
You guys want to see a top rope barbarian?
Oh, Scotty, this, you know what we could be about to see?
remember, don't go up there. It's a little high.
Much like that other Michael Jackson album, we could be seeing history here right now.
Oh my nuts!
Yeah.
The Twiggenberries.
Now, Scotty.
You guys ready for this?
Scotty, he can't see the fish.
Hey,
What are you thinking?
What are you thinking?
Migraine.
You fucking migrained him. And that's not the goozle that you want, but it's the goozle that you might end up getting. Fucking off the second rope with that big fucking choke slam.
yep, that was like Macaulay Culkin in the Good Son, just throwing his brother Elijah.
Yeah. Sorry, Elijah, Mr. Frodo. Now, not another part. Oh, one, two, that's it. Here is your winner, Brutal Rock Hands.
What a fucking victory, Scotty!
What a move! How could you kick out of that fucking second rope slow pain pin?
It's a choke slam, bro. It's fucking humongous.
Yeah, it sure was. And no one has felt more victorious than Brutal Rock Hands in this moment. He knows that all of that training, all of his hard work led right to that. Everything he has ever done in his life pales in comparison to this victory right here tonight, Scotty.
This is the standard. He's on the tip of the mountain, baby.
Alright. Hands on.
Yeah, what's up?
Guys not playing around.
Oh, I'm usually what you want. You're an adult. I trust you to make your own decisions.
Alright, I'll do what you say. I'll stop playing around.
All right, it's not playtime anymore.
Shut up!
You, hold on.
Get out of here!
You get out of here. You won your match. Get on out of here.
Well,